I just took the shower. If you don't watch TikTok, that means I exfoliated, washed my hair, shaved, everything. And I was in there for like 25 minutes. I had a super sweaty workout this morning, so I feel just like so good and clean. And then I did some gua sha on my face after the shower. And I made myself a delicious green juice with celery, kale, spinach, ginger, coconut water, and we are living, glowing from within this year. So now I'm just about to do some computer work, and that's about it. Hey guys, just filmed a new YouTube video. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. No? Okay, so I'm making a little bit of lunch. I'm just having some fish. I actually get this tilapia from Costco that I've been eating like crazy. It is so good. I don't know if I showed it in my video, but I will show you guys. So good. Throw it in the oven, but I waited way too late to eat, and I feel like I'm gonna faint right now. So that's in the oven cooking. Filmed a YouTube video. I'm gonna try to film some TikToks while I'm ready. Today's Ash Wednesday, so haven't had any dairy or meat today, so I'm like, I don't have too much stuff to eat, so I'm super hungry, and had a really intense workout per usual, so my body's just like burning through all of these calories. And tonight I think I'm going to pick up my grandparents and take them to church with me, and that's about it. Nothing too exciting today, but just want to update you guys on what's going on. Also, this is the fish. Amazing, and I know tilapia is a bottom feeder. Try not to have it all that often, but today it's all I have, and it's so freaking good. And I'm not like a huge fish lover either, so definitely try this. Hi friends, I am at Home Depot right now. John had to return some stuff, and we are just running a bunch of errands. Where else do I need to go? Oh, I think we're gonna go to the car dealership because my lease is going back next month, and there's nothing to get. There's no inventory. Prices are doubled. It's a terrible time to return a lease, but I think I'm probably gonna buy out my lease and then sell it because I can make money on it. So if you don't know that and your lease is going back soon, ask your dealership a buyout price, because I had a buyout price, and if I sell it myself I can make even more money because obviously the dealership still needs to make money. So there's that, and John loves cars. I do too, but I don't like spending a lot of money on them. I'd rather vacation and put it towards other things than a car. But yeah, we're just running around, and guys, today I did a full body workout because I'm trying to like change up my split and find something that I really like. And this full body workout that I did was next level. I've never sweat that much in my life, and it didn't seem like anything crazy. Like I was telling my sister about it, she's like, oh, that doesn't seem like whatever. But when you do it, your heart rate is up the whole entire time, and you're just working and sweating. So I posted it on my Instagram and also on my TikTok, so check that out if you don't follow me on TikTok. It's a full body workout. I don't know if I said that or not, but I really liked it, and I'm definitely going to incorporate that once a week. But yeah, that's about it for right now. Guys, I had the most productive day ever. I'm sorry if you can hear my loud ass air fryer in the back, but I woke up, I went to the gym, I came home, made breakfast, went to Target, picked up a couple of things, and ran a couple other errands, and then I've been cleaning all day long. It's finally all done. It feels so good. And now I just took a shower, and I'm making dinner. I literally have not sat down, and I'm so exhausted. My back is killing me. So I'm about to rest while dinner cooks. And I know I go to Target in like every single vlog, but I wanted to show you guys a couple things that I got, just things that I needed, some fun little hygiene things. Basically got like all oral care. I got new brush heads to swap out my toothbrush with. I was running low on this mouthwash, running low on these as well, and then I heard these razors were really good, so I wanted to try them. I'm always on the hunt for good razors because I feel like I haven't found the one yet that really gets a nice close shave. I haven't tried women's razors in years, so I thought I would try these. And I've been so obsessed with like teeth lately. I've always like took good care of my teeth, but ever since I got Invisalign, I've been like a lot more paranoid and precautious, so we're running through these supplies real quickly here. Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a little update on my day. I've been dealing with grown-up things all morning, a bunch of banking stuff and stupid boring things like that. Now I'm at the bank, I gotta get gas, gotta get a car wash, gotta stop at UPS to drop off some packages, and that's about it. Just running around today, trying to get as much stuff done as possible and be the responsible adult that I am. So that is where we're at for right now. Catch you later. That touchless, baby. Good morning, besties. I am off to the gym. I'm wearing this half zip from Aritzia that I really love, and these Honor Active leggings that I'm obsessed with, as you know if you've been watching my videos for a while. And the trick to these, because a lot of people I see wear them, they don't wear them right, they bunch up at the bottom, like right here a lot. You have to pull these up all the way, and then you'll get that really comforting fit. Dude, on both legs, all the way up, so you literally have like no material at the bottom. It's just solid, so you'll feel so much more comfortable in them. So yeah, off to the gym to do some legs. I just want to tell you guys that razor that I got from Target the other day, I have absolutely been loving. Let me show you it. This one, I'll link it down below. I have been loving it so much. It's giving me such a clean, nice, close shave. Sorry if you can hear my fan. I've just really been liking it. So if you are on the hunt for a good razor like me all the time, definitely give that one a try because it's been good so far. But went to the gym this morning, came home, ate a delicious egg white omelet, showered. Now I'm about to go to my dad's house and hang out with my grandparents. If you do not know, my grandparents are like my best friends in the whole entire world. So I'm gonna go hang out with them for a little bit. Hello.
Hi.
Hey guys, John and I are going to his uncle's surprise 55th birthday. We got ready really quick. I'm just wearing this top from Abercrombie. My jacket is Aritzia. Jeans are leather. Pants from Abercrombie as well. We got this little stud here. And yeah, yowdy. Literally dead. As if you can see from my last clip, we went out Saturday night after John's uncle's birthday party, and we stayed out so late. I have never been out that late in my life. And then the next day was Sunday, and I only got like about 5 hours of sleep, and if you know me, I need a lot more than 5 hours. And then John and I had to do some work. How we did that, I truly don't know. Like, I truly do not know how we did that. And then we got home Sunday night. I went to bed at 10. Then I woke up today at 10. I literally slept 12 hours. My body needed that so bad. Now I just feel like so groggy though. And I'm just like, oh, I cannot stay out that late ever again in my life. That was just ridiculous. But I've got a busy week ahead of me. I'm gonna try to eat a nice, delicious, healthy breakfast, make a green juice, and try to get like some nutrients and energy back into my body so we can get some stuff done. But yeah, that's all I have for today. I need to get some stuff done. I need to do some grocery shopping. I need to do some laundry. I got a lot of stuff I need to do, so we'll get started with that. So these are the couple of things that I got from the grocery store. I got some almond milk, some feta cheese, some raspberries, lemons, broccoli, tomatoes. Was really craving the sweet potato fries, so I got these. Are the best. My favorite coffee creamer in the whole entire world. some celery, ginger, cucumber, and spinach for my morning smoothie that I have. Mustard, bell peppers, lemons, I think I already said spinach, and some chicken tenders. I just prepped up all of my ingredients for my juice just so I have it for the week, and I am making no excuses, and I have it ready just to throw in the blender. So I just chopped up and washed my celery, cucumber, ginger, and then my spinach is obviously in its own container, which is easy to throw in. But doing this is so much more efficient. Alright guys, I am about to clean my makeup brushes because they are due for a cleaning. I use this stuff that I get on Amazon. It is crazy good. I use this for my foundation brush, and for my other brushes I use I put like a bunch of dish soap on this plate, but you can't really see it because it's clear, and then I scrub it on this thing just to really get in the bristles, but it doesn't really work, or I need a bigger one, I mean. This stuff, next level. I only use this for my foundation brush. I don't know if I should expose myself on camera and show you, but I feel like you guys need to see. I really gotta order some more. Ready Blue. This stuff is crazy. And I told you that's pretty disgusting. It has a very strong alcohol smell, but I personally love it. And then I just rinse it. And then I'm gonna go in with the dish soap and go in here and just keep scrubbing it because more comes out. So now that's what I'm gonna be doing for the next 20 or 30 minutes. Okay, my brushes are all nice and cleaned up. I decided I'm gonna go wipe down all of my makeup and clean it up just so I feel like I got all brand new makeup. Okay guys, I am going to